boys and girls? Mr. Lots coming back at you from Valley View Gym with another awesome challenge that I call Bulldozers and Builders. What you need for this one, boys and girls, is to raid your recycling bin and get 5 empty water bottles. If you don't have 5 empty water bottles right away, maybe you could drink a couple to make sure you're well hydrated for this challenge. What you're gonna do is you're gonna set up your 5 water bottles on the ground. Once the timer begins, the stopwatch begins, you will start hitting them down one at a time with your foot. Once you knock all 5 down, you're gonna get on the ground and take your feet only to get them back up. Let's see how I do. So there you have it, boys and girls, bulldozers and builders. I showed you stopwatch style. If you wanted to add some pressure, you could do it minute to win it style. And as always, if you have a very thirsty family and someone else who wants to play in your house, you can do it challenge style. Boys and girls, I hope you like this one. I think you will. Let's go.